Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide Copilot Artificial Intelligence from Taskbar on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide Copilot Artificial Intelligence icon from Taskbar on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Personalization on left pane. Now scroll down, click on Taskbar. Here under Taskbar items you will find Copilot Preview, and now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now Copilot icon is not showing on my Windows 11 taskbar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.